Crossroad number 17. To dream great or to be thrown low. We read from our first reading today, Friday of the second week of Lent, from the book of Genesis. We are very familiar with the story of Joseph and his brothers. And we read, so Joseph went after his brothers and caught up with them in Dothan. They noticed him from a distance, and before he came up to them, they plotted to kill him. They said to one another, here comes that master dreamer. Come on, let us kill him and throw him into one of the cisterns here. We could say that a wild beast devoured him. We shall then see what comes of his dreams. A tragic story, a very familiar story for all of us. The crossroad that the brothers of Joseph faced was, would they betray their brother who had dreams, who was always dreaming, or they would protect him because of his dreams? A very difficult crossroad, to be very honest with you. Betrayal, jealousy. Should we dream high for people? Should we dream with them? Joseph, he had dreams that came from the Lord. And his brothers could not accept that Joseph had dreams, that he was communicating with God through his dreams. But they could not understand that. All that they could see was Joseph was the favorite of their father Jacob, and that all they could see was that Joseph was a dreamer. So they decided to kill him, change their mind, and eventually threw him down into a pit, into a cistern. Crossroad during this Lenten season, the crossroad of dreaming big and great, or should we go so low and throw each other down to the pit? Maraming beses, sa halip na tulungan ang isa't isa sa mga pangarap at pag-abot nito, binababa natin ang kapwa, tinatapon natin sa balon. Para bagang pagka sila'y naandun sa balon at nasa ibaba, tayo ang aangat. A tragic story today of a family, which happens all the time, even in our own homes, among friends, in our workplaces. Makikita natin lagi yung betrayal, jealousy, envy. We call that in our culture crab mentality. Instead of lifting each other up, instead of being grateful to God for the advances and gains of people around us, kinaiinggitan natin yung mga umaangat. Ayaw natin na may umangat. Gusto natin silang ibaba. You ask yourself this Lenten season, are you a person who throws people down, or are you a person who lifts people up? Sino ba tayo? Ano bang pinipili natin? Yung tayo, yung nagbibigay sa mga tao na nasa paligid natin ng inspirasyon para ituloy nila ang kanilang mga pangarap? O tayo yung mga nagsasara ng pintuan, binabalibag paminsan, we douse off people's enthusiasm and dreams because of our jealousy and insecurity. So crossroad today, should you dream or should you throw people down?